Okay, this is actually a very lengthy problem. Ideally should have been left in the question paper because it's a very calculation intensive question. So let's go ahead, slowly take a look at it. Please follow carefully. So Amit borrowed an amount of rupees 10,000 A from Ankush at the rate of A% compound interest per annum. Amit returned the borrowed amount along with the interest to Ankush at the end of 2 years, while Ankush returned. So first, let me calculate the compound interest at the end of 2 years. So it is 10,000 A into 1 plus A by 100 whole square minus 10,000 A. This is the interest after 2 years. So this is 10,000 A if I take out common. This is 1 plus A square by 100. I'm opening the bracket 100 square plus 2A by 100 minus 1. So this gets cancelled. This is going to be 10,000 A into A square by 100 square plus 2A by 100. I will probably take out the hundreds if needed, or I'll keep it like this. So okay, let me take it out. 200s, 200s, 2 zeros. So 100A into A square by 100 plus 2A. Okay, this is the interest on compound interest. Now the other person is borrowing at simple interest for 2.5 years. So what is the amount that he's going to get? He's going to get PTR. So Amit, so same amount of money. So this is compound interest is done under simple interest. It is 10,000 A principal. Time is 2.5 years. Rate of interest is 4A by 3 by 100. So this and this gets cancelled. This will be 25 fours are 10. So 100 plus one more 0, 1000 A by 3. Now they are saying the difference between these two values, this value and this value, is this value over here. So now write the difference. So this is going to be 100A into A square by 100 plus 2A minus 1000A by 3 is 11600A. So thankfully 1A can directly get cancelled. Open this bracket, you will get A square plus 200A minus or is equal to, in fact, let's do one thing. Unfortunately, substitution also does not work so easily. 1000 by 3 minus 11600 equal to 0. So now you have to look at solving a quadratic equation. Unfortunately, there's no other go. So this is 3A square plus 600A minus, this is 300, 6 is 18, 1, 3 1 is 3, 4, 3 plus 1000 for this, because this is going to be 5800 equal to 0. Now use your quadratic equation formula for A. It is going to be a bit tedious. There's no doubt. That's the reason why I said it's calculation intensive. Even to substitute, it's not going to be really helpful to you, because look at the numbers. They're not very easily substitutable. They are not really great numbers. So at least by looking at the options, you should have decided that a question not to be attempted. But yes, once you've done till here, you can use minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Use your calculator. Get your answer for A. There will be two possibilities for A. One will be positive A, one will be negative A. Let me quickly use the calculator for that. So this will be minus 600 plus or minus root of b square is 600 square plus 4 3s are 12 into 35800 by 2a, which is 6. So this is 12 into 35800. That's plus 360000. So 789600. So 7896. So square root of 7896. Okay, I think there was an error somewhere. Let me check if there's an error anywhere. So that's the error I just realized. So this is supposed to be A and A. So this is A square. So that's the issue. This is A square. So 1A gets cancelled. 1A will still remain. So there is an A in this. So that's the small error. So let me rewrite this correctly once again. The calculation will still be lengthy, guys. There's no choice. As I said, it's a nightmarish question, not to be even touched remotely. Anyway, so this is again 3A square plus 600A minus 1000A minus this is 0, 0, 6 is 8, 1, 4, 3, 4, 0, 0. So this is equal to 0. So this becomes 3a square minus 400a minus 34800 equal to 0. Now use this formula that we already discussed and write down the values minus b plus or minus. You can use a formula for it, or you can try to factorize it. Factorization is also possible in this, but again, not going to be very easy to factorize. I would recommend that you use the formula. So let me create some real estate by erasing this part that which is at the beginning, so that I can continue my calculation. So this part is done. I hope you guys noted down. So I'm just erasing this part so the calculation can continue, nothing else. So minus b is 400, minus of minus is 400, plus or minus root of b square is 1600. In fact, let me write it as 400 square. That's better. It will save some space. So this is 400 square b square plus 12 into 34800 by 2 into a, which is 6. So now 12 into your entire that big number is what you have to do. So let's quickly do that. 12 into 34800 is 417600 plus you have with this you have plus 16160000. So 5776. So this becomes 400 plus or minus root of 5776 double zeros by 6. So now 5776, you'll have to find the square root of it. So square root of 5776 is 76. So this becomes 400 plus or minus 760 by 6. Clearly minus will not work because a cannot be negative, so it is 400 plus 760 by 6. So this will be 2 goes, so this is 3, so 2 goes 200 times, 2 goes 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 0. So 580 by 3, option D. Again, not an easy question at all by any stretch of imagination. When you see questions like this, SICI, typically, please don't attempt them.